this lovely thermo colour base on the craft desk. I need to get another one of these tabletop thingies that make it level. Like this, changes colour in temperatures. It's pretty. I might do some black drizzles just going through it. Don't know yet, wait and see. It's going to be translucent, I think. Should we add a bit more? Or go with the translucent colour? Anyway, I don't know, I think I might need to add a bit more, but then there's quite a bit. That's what I don't like about powders, is that they can be hard to incorporate into the resin. It's getting warmer, so the colour keeps changing. Should I add a bit more? That's definitely very transparent in it. I want to see what this thermochromic powder does. See this? No, that's it. More like what I was looking for. Should I add any sparkly glittery bits to it? Oh. Yeah, you're right. Some of this glittery in. Okay, so let's add this in here. Pour this lovely, mix this lovely. Get it all mixed up. There we go. Like so. A drop of okay. I'll just pour this. I've just finished that topping off yours thingy. Don't know how perfect it's going to end up.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's really good.
Thank you. Look at it, it's like slime. Okay. Like that. Now let's go in with this. Just a little squizzle. Oops, I went over the edge. there. And then back in this. Surprised that didn't fill that up completely, but never mind. We'll unveil the rest. Right, I used quite a few scoops. Oopsie, Ronic powder. I'm just going to do it like this small amount because I believe that's about enough for it. If it's not, we'll make up a little bit more. Right, so then we're going like that. I did add glue, didn't I? I'll glue with this. One drop. Okay, now I've got the glue in here, haven't I? Clippy. It should be cool. There we go. Let's hope that's plenty there. You basically have to cut it with a knife, like. Okay. As it is. We'll add some of this black in. And then we'll go in with the purple again. Now we're going to have too much. And that is right. I'm going to just, I can see the black. See that? Like so. So if I go like this. Oops. Dropping sprinkles. Probably on far too much, but never mind. Oh shit, I keep spilling it. Wow, he did more. These are really quite big moulds comparatively. It does seem to be that any big project with resin, I have to do one as a learning process and one for the gift. Anyway, so this is what I've done with my extra bit of resin. It's a small pot, like a plant pot. I had to cut off a bit of resin that had obviously attached itself. I think a little bit of it's out of shape because of the spill, like here. But it is what it is. It's frustrating. It's frustrating, but I'm definitely still learning with resin, so, you know, all these little ridges on it, little bumps on it. I can feel them trying to rub it off. Oops, shit. Sorry. Okay, let's get this off. If you remember, I had glue in the purple and not in the black, and I swirled them in together. It's a little bit Halloweeny, isn't it? Look at that, and I can decorate these up, look. Let's see what I've got up here. It stands up all right. Just that one little bit is slightly misshapen, but I don't think it's going to be noticeable, really. I'm pleased with how it's come out. The glitter and that all come out nice. And then we've got the silvers at the bottom. You can tell where it's been poured, like 2 pours. I'm going to stop doing that, I think. Oh look, it's coming up. Cool. It's a witch. It's a witch. I'll put one on this. That's pretty cool. I'll just keep this. Oh gosh. I'm just going to do this. Gemstones. The old ones. Good. Actually, that's it. You need to start doing this live, just going live, because I've got so much work to edit and I'm not getting it done. It's very hard to sit and edit and talk to people and do everything else I have to do every day. Like focusing on editing, you really have to shut down and focus on what you're doing, because every time I get a message or anything, I have to go off and then I forget what I've done, or the app resets itself and I have to go back from the beginning and work out where I was, and it's just a very long, drawn out process. And it's a lot of work. I've been very drained lately because I've been poorly. I think I've still got the infection, unfortunately. I'm not on antibiotics at the moment. I've stopped the antibiotics, and as you can hear, I'm still coughing, bubbling, and so on. Keep going. Love it. There we go. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with how the acrylic pens work on the resin. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. I put the little beads in that as well, do you remember? It's a black purple rose. No, I don't think it is a rose actually, I don't know. I like that. Very impressed with that. Okay, so I will call that a day there. Thanks for joining me, guys. Much love. Breathe easy, folks. I'll see you again soon. Bye.